Hello, it's Jason Carlson with a late entry for Stock Lock Sunday. I've been out of town traveling and I haven't had an opportunity to really sit down and pull a lock, and the locks I took with me on the road were not stock locks, so I couldn't do much with that. I considered doing this lock, which is a practice lock I got from my wife, which is kind of fun. So why not, right? Come on. I want to hold it so that people can see the pins. Putting too much pressure on it, and I can't. You know what? Let's do it the way I normally do it. Sad when you can't even pick a practice lock. One, three, five. Two, one. Get brutal with it. There it is. That, for being a little plastic lock, was a pain in my rear end. And then this, a master lock, a little 4-pin beastie. Opens like that. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that was my fight against the see-through 6-pin practice lock and the master lock. I don't even know what kind of model it is. Cheapy. So one extra pin and even see-through doesn't make it any easier. Hope everybody has a spectacular Sunday. Stay warm or stay dry, whatever's happening for you weather-wise. Hopefully I can get some more challenge locks picked and out to you guys. And thank you very much. This is a wonderful community. I noticed that my sub count is continuing to go up. At 150, we're going to do a giveaway. And I've got some new wood to make lock picks handles out of. And I've got one that's currently in process. So should be some very cool stuff coming from me soon. And remember to keep it real, keep it legal, and go through the lock.